So the question is, if you were in an emergency situation, hey kitty, would you be prepared and ready to handle things? Like for instance, if you're in Texas and all of a sudden it becomes 19 degrees, you lose your electricity, would you have the items you needed? So in this video, I am going to show you the items that you are going to want on hand. I will have the links and everything for you so you are set just in case you need it. We'll be right back. So this right here is awesome. It's a slim, compact power pack. I usually use this for my backup to charge my smartphone or my LED light when I'm filming, the ring light. But in this case, I actually charged up the USB LED lamp that has a clamp to it. And I love it because you're able to swirl it around. And this is a great part I like because you have different modes. There's like neutral, there's daylight, and I believe the other one's kind of like winter. But it worked great for the room because it was so dark in there with not having power. So this was perfect and a great amount of lighting. This is a must-have. Like literally, this USB lantern was such a game changer. And what I love about it, it actually came with 2 in the set. So as you can see, we're walking down this like dark hall. And right when we put the light on in the little lounge area in the studio, it lights everything up. And the crazy part is this light is not even at its full like charge. I actually need to recharge it because it gets brighter than this. So look, the same hall that was totally dark, you walk down it, look how bright it gets. Total thumbs up, must have. On to the vehicle. Pretty much the vehicle was the recharge station for everything. I'd put a USB charger in there. I would charge up the power bank. I love this one because it's actually a 2-port USB vehicle charger. So I was able to charge up my lantern, made sure the first one was completely recharged. Then I would go to the second lantern, make sure that one was recharged. And what I really like is the fact that this USB charger actually came with an iPhone cord charger, which was a win-win. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Well, I hope that helps because that's pretty much how the kitties and I made it through the Texas Snowstorm 2021 with having a little bit of light and able to have power to keep my phone charged, which is very important. Oh, and I have not forgotten about those bonus tips I was telling you about. There's one item I did not show and I'm going to show it now that is probably something you want to keep on hand. And then there's also a little trick that you can do with the lanterns. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that right now, okay?
So this is the item I forgot to mention, and it's definitely one of those you want to put on your must-haves list. It is a portable solar charger. And what I love about it, it comes with 2 USB ports, and it's super easy to charge everything up once you turn it on. I was able to charge up my lanterns, able to charge up my phone. It worked perfectly. So here's a nice little trick with the lanterns. Once the lanterns are charged up, they literally become a USB port themselves. A total win-win.
All right, that's it for this video. Until next time, hearts and hugs and lots of love. Later.